People excel when they work for businesses and organizations that align with their personal values. That's branding. Remember, people work and they excel in relationships where the values align. It's when values are antagonistic or they're just not quite connecting. It's kind of like if you've ever tried to shift gears in a car and that grindingness, right? That lack of connection, that lack of integration, car won't go. Then you may end up with a transmission that's not, it's all ground to pieces. People excel when their work and their values align. Well, how do they know if they align? Well, the organization needs to express their values, their mission, and vision, but so do the leaders, because the organization is just an extension of whoever is leading the company. Because here's what I know: no matter what happens, the organization will soon look like the people driving the ship. That's the truth. And if you want to align with an organization, then it's imperative that you find ones that align with your values. How can you help people align with the values of your organization? Express who you are as a leader. Understand what values you have, what problems you solve, what uniqueness you have. If you do that, man, everyone feels a lot more comfortable. Even if they don't agree, they understand, oh, Tyler is who he is. This is what Tyler's about. Okay. I'm not sitting here wondering, what's his agenda? What's he trying to do? Does he just want me because of my money or whatever it may be? No. He sees something bigger for all of us.